Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with CUISINART. This is a CUISINART Coffee on Demand 12-cup programmable coffee maker. It's really great because what it does, it dispenses 1 cup at a time. So you can make a full pot of coffee, and then as the day goes on, you can dispense a cup of coffee whenever you want. And when you do, I'm going to show you later, the light here lights up after we make coffee. You're going to see how you can actually see into your coffee cup and see how full it's getting. So first there's a removable reservoir. And that's really convenient because what you can do is you can just go right to the sink, fill it up, and then after it's completely full, you can take it back to the machine and just mount it back on to the coffee maker. Just fill that up. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to put the charcoal water filter in. And then we're going to put in the charcoal water filter, which comes with it, and what that's great for is it removes the impurities and chlorine's taste and odor from your water before it's actually brewed with your coffee. The other thing is it comes with a permanent cupcake gold tone filter, and all of the parts are removable, including the coffee reservoir, which holds 12 cups of coffee. And this is important because after you brew your coffee, it's important to keep your coffee maker clean. So that should be removed and kept clean. So all we're going to do is put the pre-measured coffee in and follow the instructions on how much coffee you should use, but we usually say about a heaping scoop per cup. We also give you paper filters to try when you get started. If you prefer less sediment in your coffee, you should use the paper filters. And then you'll notice here we have a really large shower head, and that disperses the filtered water over your coffee very efficiently so you get all the great taste. It also has some other functions, has a large clock. It also is totally programmable, so you can set it for any period 24 hours in advance. It also has an auto on and an auto off feature, so it'll shut itself off. The other thing is that it has a 1 to 4 cup setting if you're going to be making less than 4 cups, which is important to use because it adjusts how the coffee is actually brewed. Has a clean feature and function to decalcify your coffee maker, and also has on and off. And now that we have our water in and our coffee in, we're going to go ahead and brew some coffee. And the last thing I want to mention to you is it also has a coffee gauge, so you can see how much coffee is left in the tank inside. So here we go. We're going to go brew some coffee, turn it on brew, and set start. And then in a little bit, when it's done, I'm going to show you how to dispense the coffee. All we do is put it on the drip tray, push the little actuator, and it lights up inside so you can see how full your cup of coffee is as you fill it up. And there you go, full to the top. It couldn't be easier. Enjoy great coffee with your Coffee on Demand.
Introducing the 2-in-1 hybrid coffee brewer for K-Cup and ground coffee by SBOLY. This compact, innovatively designed machine fits perfectly with any space. Simply fill the water reservoir and press the K-Cup or ground coffee button. Hybrid technology brews coffee quickly and at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your cup of tasty coffee in just 3 minutes. Easily clean the coffee machine every 2 months by simply pressing 2 buttons. Enjoy a fresh and pure coffee taste with a 2-in-1 coffee maker by SBOLY.